So consider this when designing your book cover.
Hey there, I'm Kerry Watson and welcome to the AuthorSell channel.
Today I'm giving you 6 tips about book cover design for children's books. In a moment, I'll reveal a bonus tip, so stick around for that. When it comes to children's books, the cover is often the first thing that catches the eye of a young reader. But what goes into designing the perfect cover for a children's book? Think of a book cover as a window into a story. Like a window, a book cover should give a glimpse of what's inside without giving too much away. A good children's book cover should be like a map that guides the reader on a journey, sparking their imagination and making them want to turn each page. To achieve this, 1. Use bright, bold colors. Children are often drawn to bright and bold colors, so be sure to use them in your book cover design. Just be careful not to use too many colors, as this can be overwhelming to young readers. Designing a book cover for children is like painting a picture. Each element should be carefully chosen and placed with intention. The colors, illustrations, and typography should combine to create a cohesive and memorable design. 2. Use clear, simple typography. The title and subtitle of your book should be easy to read and understand at a glance. Choose a clear, legible font that is appropriate for young readers. 3. Use age-appropriate imagery. Children's books should use imagery that is appropriate for the intended age group. For example, a book for very young children should use simple, stylized illustrations, while a book for older children can use more realistic imageries.
If you are finding value in this video so far, show it by clicking the thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment or a question below and subscribe to AuthorSell for more book design tips and trends.
4. Consider the size and shape of the book. Children's books comes in different sizes and shapes, so consider this when designing your book cover. 5. Think about the mood and the message of your book. Your book cover should convey the mood and the message of your book and be appropriate for the intended age group. 6. Keep it simple. A book cover that is too cluttered or complex may be overwhelming for young readers. In the end, the best book covers for children's books are the ones that make them want to open the book and dive into the story. A good book cover is like a treasure chest filled with adventures and imagination waiting to be discovered.
If you're in need of professional book cover design services, be sure to check out my Fiverr gig at fiverr.com/Kerry Watson. I offer a range of book design services and I am happy and ready to help you create the book that sells. Make sure to mention this voucher number, #YT25, for a $25 discount on any of my services.
Now, as promised, my bonus tip. When writing children's books, it is a good idea to include activities inside the book, such as a QR code for an audio recording of the book being read, or find an hidden object or spot the difference, things like that. These are great guarantees to enhance the child's reading experience with your book.
Watch this next video to learn more about book cover designs, tips, and trends.